Okay, so here we are in the master bath. We've finished the drywall, so we went ahead and primed everything. We got it all painted in the color that we liked. We did start with a different color, so it took us a while to get that figured out. It dried a little different than what we thought it was going to be with our lighting. Got the shower head installed, went ahead and tested that. I'm going to go check and make sure there's no leaks over here. It's been a couple days, there's no dripping, so that's a good thing. The valve is working good. Shower head's not accumulating any water, so there's no leaks. Obviously we don't know what's going on behind the wall, so hopefully all is good in there, but downstairs there's nothing showing. So we went ahead and put the underlayment down while the paint was theoretically drying, and we started doing our layout. Now if you look at this bathroom, there's a narrow little hallway. I call it the hallway because it's a pointless waste of space. This wall is actually the closet for the master bedroom, but this wall, actually all the walls in here are out of square. And so what we had to do to figure this out was we had to make some lines and grid it out. And then the reason the tile's down here like this is because I'm trying to see where the tile's going to end up, because I don't want to have to cut any tiles in half or less to end up on an edge somewhere. So this is the pattern that we've chose. We're going to do offset by 8 inches because these are 24-inch tiles. So every 8 inches, one of these tiles will be offset. And so I'll go into that in a separate video, but this is kind of where we're at. We're getting everything set up, making our measurements, all that good stuff, knocking down some of the nails that might have come back up from the subfloor to make it as level as possible. We've sanded down some of these joint seams because I had the kiddo do that, and she put a little too much thin set, so we had to sand some of that down, and that's where we're at now. But stay tuned and I'll talk more about the tile in this tiny little bathroom.